Good day my viewers, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're going to be showing you two free assets that you're going to want to try and use if you're starting off in game development for car racing games. I'm going to show you two free car racing kits that are worth it. They are very good. So I'm going to show you. So first off, you're going to search for low poly sports cars in your Unity asset stores. Then we're going to scroll down. Now the first one I'm going to be showing you is this low poly sports car. Now we're going to just click on quick look. I've actually downloaded it, so you're just going to download it. So I'm going to import it. It's just going to take a little bit of time, so we're just going to be patient. Now, okay, yeah, we're gonna import everything. Yeah, so let's be patient and wait for it to import. Yeah, it's importing. We're gonna just wait a little while for it to import. Because it's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna show you why it's gonna be worth it, so be patient. We're gonna see how you're gonna import and have another one next. Okay, that one is fully imported. Okay, we close that one down. Yeah, it's important, so let's close it down. So now the next one we're gonna go into is the R Realistic Car Kit 2. So let's go check that out. Quick look. It also has a 5-star rating. So now let's install this one too. Import it. Sorry, I've already downloaded it. So you're gonna see download button over here when you check your one out. So you're gonna download it, then you're gonna import. So since I've downloaded this, I just have to import. Then I'm gonna import. Yeah. So this one is also fully installed. So now what's gonna do next is this. Let's go back to our game scene. So we're gonna close all this Unity asset store down. Then I'm gonna minimize. Yeah. So go back to my game scene. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is that this is the real realistic car kit, and this is the yellow car, the best sports car. So we're gonna, which one I'm gonna do first? Okay, let's go with the realistic car kit first. Double click it. Then let's go to his scenes. Then let's go to his simple. Now we'll make sure to about putting our maximizer on play so we can get the full screen when we start. So now let us start. I'm just gonna show you the features. I'm just gonna show you how the assets work, and you can actually make it work for your own game. So now when you click the right side function, the police now you get the police right, and you go for the outcome. So now you're gonna start with the route, okay? So now the way you grab your car, you use it for priority. Have a speedometer at the top there. See, very well. Yes, very simple. has two demo scenes. So the first one we check is simple. Let's check the touch. Now this one is the mobile part of the police car. Okay, so now we're gonna check how this one works too. Let's see how good this one can be. So because actually that one is just for the PC, for the computer. So we're gonna see how this one works too. Okay. Yeah. So now let's play. Yeah. So this one. Yeah. Now you can play this one. But now let's see. But you can figure out that yourself. Then you can reset. So this one has also good features. Then plus, I'm gonna show you the one I didn't show you about now. So let's go to the best sports cars. Very cool. Sports cars, then demo. Then we have different demos. So let's see this one. Because you have 4 different cars in this thing, but they all look alike, so you won't know. And plus, I'm gonna attach the camera directly to this car. So let's see first, because actually let the same finish loading, because I think my keys actually. Okay, so we're gonna start now. Control P. Okay, so now let's see how it drives. So let me attach a camera directly to it and see how it works. So put the camera directly into it, then let me get a better view. Yeah, so get the camera closer, take it up. Okay, it's better. So let's play it now and let's see how good this can be. If you are thinking of an asset to try out, like you're looking for a good car, you're looking for cool cars to start with your car racing game, and you don't know the exact one to try, out, then I would like to suggest that you try out either a realistic car kit or the best sports car kit. Those two will give you a very nice setting. You can try the standard asset. You all know, you should know the standard asset by now. You can use Unity developer I want to. So you can try that. These ones are actually very cool. So you can try this one and they'll give you what you need. Okay, that's good. So thanks for watching my channel. Welcome to my video today. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and you get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.